afternoon. My name is Avit Reisin and I'm a Vice President at STRATASYS, responsible for the Rapid Prototyping Business Unit and the materials. It's my pleasure to be here and share with you the latest and greatest from STRATASYS. We are a global company with dual headquarters in Israel and in Minnesota. And the two technologies that we own are PolyJet, which is inkjet-based technology, where we use acrylic-based photopolymers, and FDM, fusion deposition modeling, which is all based on the usage of thermoplastics materials. Both technologies are complementary and enable our customers to achieve maximum use cases in prototyping, tooling, and manufacturing. When it comes to PolyJet technology, we are able to jet simultaneously a few modeling materials. It was 2007 that we launched our legacy Connex platform with only two materials that were able to be jetted simultaneously. That enabled us the usage of a Vero material, rigid, a rubber material, and on the fly all these combinations were created. So these materials are not cartridge-based. They are actually digital material combinations that exist on the part. We took it further in 2014 to Connex 3, where we could jet simultaneously three materials. And in 2016, it was J750 that was launched with 6 modeling materials that enable full color, textures, clarity and opacity, rubber and rigid, all using the same machine and a variety of materials. It was only recently that we announced our vivid colors, and again the usage of new materials with vivid colors and a new color profile that enable to get a completely new use case for our automotive lighting customers that could really do a full prototype of the lighting device that is needed with a true vivid red. All this is happening today and enables us further to get into fast consumer goods with the ability to do texture, VRML, with clear. A new slicer implemented in our platforms enable this particular packaging that today are being really the most exciting and hot topic in our cosmetics packaging customers' sites. Another aspect of the J750, and again here we work daily with our customers to understand their needs. It was an eyewear customer that came to me personally and said, I can't do everything that I need functionally with your materials. We came up and composed a new material, VeroFlex, for the eyewear industry to enable exactly this wearability test or mounting of glasses as needed in functional testing. So this is the world of multi-material for PolyJet. At the same time, we are striving higher with high-performance materials on the FDM technology. FDM that is based on thermoplastics can take us to high-performance plastics, such as the recently launched Antero 800, a PEC-based material with exceptional chemical resistance, HDT of 147 degrees, and tensile strength, which is 13K SPI. So we are discussing here a new material with chemistry resistance that will resist fuels and oils and everything that is needed in an environment of aerospace and automotive, where other plastics will deteriorate in their performance at the environment of those chemicals. This is one step forward into our manufacturing roadmap of materials, and next we will do more into tooling and other industries with functional materials. Yes, we welcome you today to learn more about 3D printing with STRATASYS materials. Everything is available at stratasys.com, our website, and we will stay tuned to any requests request and requirement coming from you, the customers, because the developments you see today is a mutual partnership between Stratasys, best technological efforts, and you, the customer, and your needs.